Greenhouse effect causes, consequences, and mitigation strategies. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. It occurs when the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, and some of it is reflected back to space, while the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. This process helps to keep the Earth's temperature stable. However, human activities have intensified this effect, leading to global warming. Causes of the greenhouse effect. Number 1. Natural causes. Water vapor, the most abundant greenhouse gas, which increases as the Earth's atmosphere warms. Carbon dioxide, CO2, released naturally through respiration, volcanic eruptions, and organic decay. Methane, CH4, emitted from wetlands and the digestion process of ruminant animals. Nitrous oxide, N2O, released from soils in the ocean. To anthropogenic, human-induced causes. Burning of fossil fuels, major source of CO2 from coal, oil, and natural gas combustion in power plants, vehicles, and industries. Deforestation reduces the number of trees that absorb CO2, increasing its concentration in the atmosphere. Agriculture, methane emissions from livestock and rice paddies, and nitrous oxide from fertilized soils. Industrial processes release various greenhouse gases, including hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs. Consequences of the greenhouse effect. 1. Global warming, increase in Earth's average surface temperature. 2. Climate change, altered weather patterns, including more frequent and severe heat waves, storms, and flooding. 3. Sea level rise, melting polar ice caps and glaciers leading to coastal flooding. 4. Ocean acidification, increased CO2 levels in the atmosphere absorbed by the oceans, affecting marine life. 5. Impact on biodiversity, altered habitats and ecosystems, threatening species with extinction. Mitigation strategies. 1. Reducing fossil fuel use, transition to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Increase energy efficiency in transportation, buildings, and industries. 2. Forestation, reforestation and afforestation projects to absorb CO2, protection of existing forests to prevent deforestation. 3. Sustainable agriculture, implementing practices that reduce methane and nitrous oxide emissions, using less nitrogen-based fertilizers and improving manure management. Four. Technological innovations, developing carbon capture and storage, CCS technologies. Promoting electric and hybrid vehicles to reduce emissions from transportation. 5. Policy and legislation, implementing carbon pricing, carbon tax or cap-and-trade systems. Enforcing international agreements like the Paris Agreement to limit global warming. From the description above, answer the following questions. One, what is the greenhouse effect? 2, what are the main greenhouse gases responsible for the greenhouse effect? 3, how do human activities contribute to the greenhouse effect? 4, what are some of the major consequences of the enhanced greenhouse effect? 5, what strategies can be implemented to mitigate the greenhouse effect?